Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so first let's talk about negative feedback loops. So in negative feedback loops, basically this is our body's way of maintaining equilibrium by when something happens to the body adjusts so that it goes back to a state of equilibrium, thus making sure that it's within a certain set of parameters. And one example of this is with glucose. So when our body's glucose becomes too high, then insulin is produced by the body to lower it. So insulin produced, and then the glucose is then lowered. And then if the glucose is lowered, then this means that now we are back at a good place again. So our body is within those parameters. The feedback loop has worked. But the reason that this can somehow fail, and when it does fail, that's when we see certain conditions such as diabetes. And in diabetes, the problem is the feedback loop can't keep going because the body doesn't produce. So the body doesn't produce the amount of insulin that is necessary. So if the body doesn't produce the amount of insulin that's necessary, then what ends up happening is the glucose doesn't go down. And if the glucose doesn't go down, then the loop is never resolved. So um, equilibrium is not achieved. All right. Thanks, guys.